we know that potential can be written as. In the previous lecture only, we found a rough plot of electric field intensity with distance x. This equation simply says that negative of area under this curve is actually equal to built-in potential. However, we are going to find the equations as well. In the previous lecture, we found the value of electric field for the p-type region to be equal to. There are two negative signs which will cancel each other, and integrating the equation will give C3 is another concept of integration. Potential difference across the PN junction is much more important rather than finding the absolute potential. The Vx here represents the absolute potential, but for finding the potential difference, we can arbitrarily set electric potential at boundary of the p-type region to be 0. We will find the value of constant of integration C3 to be equal to the electric potential in the p-type region will come out You have to remember that in the final equation, the Vx does not represent the absolute potential. It represents the potential difference between any point x and considering potential at the boundary of the p-type depletion region to be 0. By similar manner, we can find the potential difference for the n-type region. Here C4 is another constant of integration. We can find the value of C4 by setting x is equal to 0, and since the potential difference from both the equations of p-type and n-type region should come equal, we can equate those equations to find the value of C4. We will find value of C4 equal to the electric potential difference in the n-type region then becomes we can find potential difference or the built-in potential between the n-type and p-type region by putting x equal to xn in the equation of electric potential in the n-type region. Therefore, we will get built-in potential to be equal to This is the final formula for finding the electric potential difference between the ends of the depletion region. Earlier, you got another formula for finding the electric potential which was like this. This can also be written as. Similarly, it can also be written as. All these formulas are meant for the same parameter, electric potential. Don't get confused. For numerical questions, use the formula which is appropriate for the provided data.